Hey everybody, well I got another machine here, so I figured I'd show it to you. Today we got a Cirrus professional grade. This machine I got off of eBay for about $60, so it's not too bad. It's got a headlight, there's no height adjuster on it. It's selected for bare floor and carpet. I believe this is where the filter is at. Slide that over. Looks like a HEPA. That's to lock it. And the reason why it was so cheap was because it's missing that relief vent. So I'm not going to be too worried about it right now. It's got the telescoping extension wand, crevice tool, dusting brush. It's missing the upholstery tool, so I'm not too worried. It's got a telescoping handle, stretch hose, on-off switch. Sure what kind of bag it's got in it. Oh, look at that. It's got one of those fancy cloth bags in it. It's got looks like a check bag light on it. Put it down here and show you underneath. Aluminum brush roll. Aluminum bottom plate. See if I can find a model number for you guys. Looks like it is model CR79. And the serial number is 0016415. Looks like it's a 2013 model. These things are commercially used, I believe, so not bad. Got a flip down core latch. Funky looking handle. As I said, the headlight works and all that. I just used it today. I know they make other variants of these, like a pet model, and they make canisters and all that. But these usually retail for a hefty price, depending on which one you're looking at. There's the handle release down there. There's no height adjuster, so that's how it's adjusted, is by the wheels there. But this thing runs really nicely. And something that's cool is it has a squeegee on the bottom, so you can use it on bare floors. I'm guessing once you select that thing, it's the first one of these I've had, as they're retailing for a ridiculous amount of money. But yeah. Well, YouTube, that's all for now. I'll talk to y'all later.